Sometimes, for someone, love leads to a happy life forever. But many times, love fails, and at least one person may end up hurt. If that person is you, this video is especially for you. It is natural to feel sad when love fails, but it doesn't mean that you can't be happy again. Because this love fail doesn't mean you are a failure at love. Failure of love is indeed the failure of choice. A bad relationship and your bad choice do not mean that love is bad or you are bad. No one is perfect and not everyone is perfect. By failing in love, you should be able to rise within yourself, because we often make love and life choices based on what is expected, which may lead to frustration. Someone said truly, expectation leads to frustration. Love is not a deal. Love is not a business. Love is not a test. And love is not even an incident in which failing and succeeding have to be seen. It is only an acceptance of your actual nature. It is a beautiful process, no matter what it ends up at. Love can come true, but it takes guts, resilience, and overcoming obstacles to make your dreams to reality. Some people may understand you and some may not, but you have to stand like a pillar, because love is yours, life is yours, so you need to take care of yourself. Never make your heart to be painful due to the person who left you. Your heart is the source of your love, so never force it to accept the person who is not fit for it and who didn't understand its beat. Never dwell in the past. It's time to rethink who or what made you fail at love. You have to accept this truth. The love which turns out to be a failure is not at all love, but love failure is the best stepping stone on the way to success. You have to take a leap, believe that you are so lovable and amazing person, and it is sure you are going to lead the best life. One day you will be a person beyond your imagination and dream. Yes, my dear friend, my purpose of this video is you should be a role model and inspiration for broken hearts. Thank you very much for your valuable time.